Alright, I'm watching some of my YouTube videos on refrigerator, at Lowe's, okay, let's, watch this one, I guess. It's a goat. Watching one of my YouTube videos on a refrigerator is crazy. This is ridiculous. On a refrigerator. This is ridiculous, dude. This is actually redonkulous. By the way, thanks for 100 subscribers. Yeah, this is redonkulous. Watching one of my videos on a refrigerator. Let's try to get this one out there. That's why I have no money. Tiv 1 edit. Yeah, low budget edit. Low budget edit. Watching some of my YouTube videos. Anyways, hey guys.